Hello everyone. First of all, welcome all of you in today's video. In this video, we will discuss about adjective and its kinds. So let's start. Now let's see the topics that we are going to cover in today's video. These are first topic, adjective, its definition, and second is kinds of adjectives. First, it is important to know the definition of adjective. What is adjective? So, adjectives are the words that describe noun or pronoun. For example, Ram is a good boy. In this sentence, Ram and boy both are nouns and good qualifies Ram. So, here good is adjective. In second sentence, this is a high mountain. In this sentence, mountain is noun and high describes the quality of mountain. So here high is adjective. In third sentence, Mumbai is a big city. So here big describes the quality of the city which is Mumbai. So here big is an adjective. It is also important to know that adjective can be used attributively or as predicative. For example, let's see first attributive use. In the first sentence, Neha is a beautiful girl. In this sentence, beautiful is adjective and it is along with the noun. And noun Neha and girl both are nouns. So here adjective comes along with noun. Same case with the sentence 2. Ram is a good player. In this sentence, good is also along with noun. In third sentence, an old man came. In this sentence also, the word adjective old comes with noun. So, what is the difference in predicative use? Let's see. My father is old. In this sentence, adjective is old and it comes along with verb, not with noun. Same case with the sentence 2. Neha is beautiful. In this sentence also, the word adjective is beautiful and it comes along with the verb, not with the noun. So this is the difference between attributive use and predicative use of adjective. Now let's see the kinds of adjectives. What are the kinds of adjectives? So let's see. First is adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. Third, adjective of number. Fourth, demonstrative adjective. Fifth, interrogative adjective. Sixth, emphasizing adjective. And seventh, exclamatory adjective. So these are the kinds of adjectives. Let's discuss one by one. First kind of adjective is adjective of quality. So let's try to understand what is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality give more information about the quality of noun, or in simple words we can say that adjective of quality shows the quality of noun, describes the quality of a noun. We get adjective of quality by asking the question of what kind to a noun to know the quality of noun. For example, Goa is a big city. In this sentence, big is an adjective. In second sentence, let's see, he is a brave boy. In this sentence, brave is an adjective. Third sentence is Nisha has a black cat. In this sentence, black is an adjective. And in fourth sentence, she is a beautiful girl. In this sentence, beautiful is an adjective of quality. Let's see in this picture also that these all pictures are of apples, but each apple shows its own quality. It is crispy, it is crunchy, it is smooth, rough, round, green, shiny, fresh, sweet, sour, red. So these all pictures of apples show the quality of its own. So it is called adjective of quality. Next type of adjective is adjective of quantity. So let's see what it is. What is it? Adjective of quantity indicates the amount or quantity of the noun or pronoun in the sentence. They are used to describe the quality of uncountable nouns. Adjective of quantity answer the question how much, or we can say that it shows the approximate quantity of noun. These words are some, few, little, any, whole, etc. Let's try to understand by some examples. These are the examples of adjective of quantity. Let's see first example. He has not much money. In this sentence, much shows the quantity of money. So here much is adjective of quantity. In second sentence, the poor man had not enough food to eat. In this sentence, enough shows the quantity of food. So here enough is adjective of quantity. Same case is with third sentence. The pot contains a little sugar. Little here shows the quantity of sugar. All my money is spent. So here spent is adjective of quantity. Next type of adjective is adjective of number. So let's see what is it. These type of adjectives show the number or order of persons or things. So these types of adjectives show the number or order of person or things. Means adjective of number answer the question how many. Adjective of number are of three kinds. First is definite number adjective, second is indefinite number adjective, and third and last is distributive number adjective. Let's take one by one. Let's start one by one. First is definite numeral adjectives. It is which denotes an exact number. For example, 1, 2, 3. It is called cardinals number. First, second, third. It is called ordinals number, as we all know earlier about this. And second is indefinite numeral adjectives, which do not denote an exact number, as few, any, some, many, all, no, certain, several, etc. And third is distributive numeral adjectives. It refers to each one of a number as each, every, either, neither, etc. So these are three: definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, and distributive numeral adjectives. Next type of adjective is demonstrative adjectives. As it is clear by its own name, demonstrative, these are the words that are used to point out a specific person or things are called as demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. For example, this, that, these, those, such, as, etc. This and that are used with singular nouns, and these and those are used with plural nouns. So these are the some examples of demonstrative examples. First is this boy is very naughty. In this sentence, this is here demonstrative adjective. Second sentence, these mangoes are sweet. In this sentence, these is an demonstrative adjective. And third sentence, I do not like such acts. In this sentence, such is an demonstrative adjective. Those boys must be punished. In this sentence, those is an demonstrative adjective. But in the last sentence, see, this is very naughty boy. Remember that these words have also been used as pronouns, but then the noun does not appear after them. This is a very naughty boy. In this sentence, this is pronoun, not adjective. Next type of adjective is interrogative adjective. So let's see what is it. Words that are used to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives, like what, which, whose, etc. One thing, it is important to remember one thing, that these type of adjectives are always used with noun. For example, whose pen is this? In this sentence, pen is noun and whose is a word that is asking question. So here whose is an interrogative adjective. Second sentence, which book will you like to buy? In this sentence, which is interrogative adjective. And in third sentence, what way should we go? In this sentence, what is regarded as interrogative adjective. Next type of adjective is emphasizing adjective. Let's see what is it and what we mean by emphasizing adjective. Sometimes the word own and very are used as emphasizing adjectives, or we can say that these words are used as emphasizing words. For example, I saw with my own eyes. Second example, he is his own master. Third example, this is the very thing I want. So these all the words that is mentioned in red color are regarded as emphasizing adjectives. Next type of adjective is exclamatory adjectives. What is it? The word what is used sometimes as exclamatory adjective, or we can say exclamatory word. Let's see the examples. What an idea. You have already familiar with the exclamatory sentences. This mark shows the exclamation mark of this is called as mark of exclamation. In this sentence, what is used as exclamatory adjective. In second and third sentence also, what is used as exclamatory words or exclamatory adjectives. So I hope now you are able to understand what is an adjective and what are the kinds of adjectives. So thank you very much.